Hello everyone, welcome back to Giga. In this particular video, we are going to explore whether we can run the DeepSeek, which is making a buzz in the market, on this tiny device of Raspberry Pi 5. How exactly it gives the performance, what issue we can face, so all those things we will cover in this particular video. So let's see what setup I have right now. So I have Ubuntu OS with Raspberry Pi 5 and NVMe SSD 512 GB. Now, when we log in into Ubuntu OS, then we can start on the terminal. But before that, let's go on the Ollama website where we can find the commands to run. So we need to download it using a curl command. Okay, but as it is fresh installation of the Ubuntu OS, so I need to first update and upgrade and install the curl. So that should be our first step to do. So sudo apt update and upgrade. So after the updates, we will get all the items. Okay, so it will take some time to get update and upgrade, so I will just make it very fast. And once upgrade has happened, then we need to install the curl command. Okay, so installation of the curl, sudo apt again install curl. So once the curl will get installed, then we can run the command to install the Ollama onto the Linux machine. So it will take some time to download the Linux ARM64 bundle. So once the installation get completed, then we will see one warning for the no GPU detected. Okay, because Raspberry Pi right now I don't have any GPU, so it will say that it will run only in the CPU thing. Okay, then we can go back to the Ollama website and there we can search for DeepSeek. Okay, so we will get lot of different options, but here I'm selecting DeepSeek R1. Okay, so DeepSeek R1 also has a lot of different options, or different models which it has. So 1.57b, 8b, so all those are there, but we will start from the minimal, which is 1.5b. Okay, so this particular model we will take, and then we will get the command and we will run it. So there are two options: you can first pull and run, or you can utilize directly Ollama run DeepSeek R1 as it is coming. So it will pull it also, and then it will, once the pull will get completed, it will start. So you can see that we have successfully installed the DeepSeek, and now we can provide our prompt to get the answer from this AI model. So I'm just giving some basics here. So hello DeepSeek, and then you can see that it is in deep thinking mode. So first it think and then it responds. Okay, so this is how basically we can install, but this particular installation doesn't happen on the Raspbian, so do not try it on the Raspbian mostly because this is not supported on that particular OS. Okay, so we need to have Ubuntu and or any other Linux OS. Okay, but not the Raspbian, so it is not supported directly on the Raspbian part. So after running it for some time, there was one issue which I found in the Raspberry. It was running perfectly fine, but as the heat was getting more because of the processing, so one or two times it stopped automatically on the high temperature. So that can be one issue. So when we run the bigger models on this, there can be those issue can come. So yeah, that's what I have seen on the performance side. So that's all for this particular video. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.